Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger video call not working. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So you're going to make sure that you have closed the application properly. And then from here we're going to go to our settings. Once you go to your settings section, go to the apps. From the apps you're going to either click on Messenger or click on see all apps and then search for Messenger. Now, make sure that you don't confuse it with the normal Messages app. So click on the Messenger. And so we're going to check for two simple things. First, we're going to check for the storage and cache, and then make sure that we clear the cache for it. Once we do that, then we're going to go back, and then we're going to click on the permissions section. Now, a video call usually needs for some few options, such as your microphone and your camera. So if you do not have permission for them yet, and you're not having the ability to use them, then simply click on the microphone and give it allow when using the app. And same goes for the camera, to allow only while using the application. This will help you be able to enable actually having a video call and being able to use the equipment for that. Now once this is done, we're going to make sure that we are all set by going to the Play Store or the App Store. Then from here we're going to search for Messenger. Then from here going to click on the first option, and if it says update instead of the blue button that says open, then make sure to click that one so that it fully updates the application. Finally, we can just triple check the last thing where we go to settings one last time. Scroll all the way down until you see the system. Click on that. From the system you can see this option that says system update. Click on that one. And then from here it's going to check for any new software updates, and if it does, then simply update, and once it restarts and you try to call someone on Messenger, it will work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.